The world premiere of the Axopar 29 has been so well received here in the International Boat Show in Dusseldorf. So it's a process that's actually taken us 10 years. So 10 years to perfect the Axopar 28 that actually created the company since the beginning. Now we're able to present the new Axopar 29, the one that is going to take the mantle and take the torch forward for the Axopar in the future. It is fully packed with new innovations and new seating arrangements and solutions you have not seen on a 29-foot boat before. Without forgetting that the Axopar 29 is all about drivability, and the drivability has been even further enhanced from the Axopar 28. And today we can offer it with better performance, higher top speeds, running with the same engines, and now with increased fuel tanks, having a longer distance. Actually, what we also changed, and especially for Australia that you will love, is that we created a bigger, wider bow with a bigger flare that can actually take up heavier seas that you have in your regions. I think for the Australian market, I think there's probably a 50-50 mix with the cabin boat and the open boats, because people still want to have an enclosed boat for when the weather gets a bit chilly, when it's a bit windy, or when it's a bit rainy. But when the weather is out, the cabin now with the Dusseldorf roof and with the big sliding doors and with the all outdoor seating area around the boat creates a very nice transition between sitting in a fully enclosed wheelhouse and still being able to enjoy the full sun and the full warmth out there when the weather is nice. And I think this is the same with the Suntop. So the Suntop is a fully open boat, but you can enclose it with a canopy, so it also becomes an all-weather boat, even if it's more focused on the very sunny and nice days out at the sea. To me, the relationship between e-yachts is special, because they are also being able to provide us with the feedback and getting us to know what Australians love and need on their boats, and we've been able to push this through in the development of the 29.